Assalamu alaikum. Today lecture is the continuation of the last lecture about policy. Policy is very important health and safety management element that is that comes under the obligation of ILO Occupational Safety and Health Management System that was released in 2001. Today we are going to discuss about the aspects of reviewing policy. Before going into discussion, it is requested to that students who are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive updated videos on daily basis with regard to NIBOSH IGC. Now we shortly discuss on reviewing policy. What does it mean? It means that the policy which has been formulated is checked on annual basis or as per prescribed period that one when it would have to check so that it is effective or it required some kind of change with due to initiation of some new changes in technology or something different as well. The reviewing policy comes under the recommendation R164, that is the obligation of international labor organizations occupational safety and health management system that was released in 1981. So it is a legal bound to employer to review a policy on the set time or as per prescribed time period when it is required on annual basis or quarterly basis or as per organization policy. Now we consider what are the circumstances on which the health and safety policy is reviewed. There are some parameters, some elements that require some changes in the health and safety management system so that the policy would be effective at all stages. The first is technological change. Technological changes mean if you have changed the parameter of your operation or process with the initiation of new equipment or machinery, then you would have to review your policy because the new machinery or equipment may pose new hazards and risks on the environment and on the employee specifically. The second is organizational changes. Organizational changes mean if the higher management is changed abruptly or as per decide rules. No, it is necessary upon the new management that they have to review their health and safety policy so that a positive health and safety environment might be lived on the workplaces. The third is legal changes. Legal changes mean such as the introduction of new legislation applicable to the organization. And moreover, the next thing is changes to the type of work that the organization does. Mean if organization is working process on a product and producing a product, he has made some changes to produce something different rather than first, then the process parameter have changed. No, it is legally bound that the employer should change the health and safety policy. Main he have to review the policy. The other is where an audit or investigation check that there are some sort of flaws or missing things in the policy, then it is necessary to inform the higher management so that they may set time and manpower to check and validate the health and safety policy for a better review process. The other is when requested by a third party such as a insurance company or client. And the most important, that is following prosecution action. If the industry has imposed some kind of risk to workers and environment, consequently the risk results in severe accident or a fatality, then a legal action would be put on organization and a legal prosecution would come in that case. In that case, the policy would have to review by law. The other is following the consultation with workforce. The policy has been prepared by the top management and the senior health and safety official with their best knowledge and experience. But after implementing health and safety, if the worker representative play their positive role and put some kind of reservation that the policy is invalid or some changes should be made to make a balanced health and safety culture. So it is obligatory and ethical responsibility on employer to check the health and safety policy and review it on the worker's request. The last is after the passage of time, for example, on annual basis or on quarterly basis. It is not a universal parameter that bond to review the policy. It varies as organization to organization. The people who are new on my channel are requested to subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that they may receive updated videos for their better preparation of health and safety exam specifically for NBOSH IBC. Thank you so much.